snowing today in Cleveland. We're gonna do some fast charging, see how it works in below 32 degrees. We're using Electrify America, the free of charge charging. Starts 58, 59. It's gonna pick up probably around up to 100. So yeah, it all looks good. Electrified America worked perfect with my Audi app. No issues there. So we're gonna start heating up. Okay. Can go inside. Oh, see how it goes. It's doing 57 kilowatts. 63 it says on the charger. That's pretty low. So I might just go grab something to eat real quick and come back. But it says it needs 51 minutes. Hopefully not. Hopefully it will pick up. Yeah. Charging remaining from 36 to 40 to 8, so 40% in 50 minutes. That's quite slow. But we'll see how it goes. So what I want to see is something that captured my attention. This one is doing 82. I was charging yesterday to this one and the weather was good and it says up to 350 kilowatts. It never reached actually 100. So I want to go to that one. That one actually I used it the other day and it did. This one is up to 100. This one is up to 150 kilowatts. And it charged fast. I don't know why those are so slow, so I'm gonna disconnect, go to the other one and see how this one didn't work at all. So I'm gonna go to the third charger, see how it goes. Unfortunately I could not test my theory, so we're gonna go to the last one. Yeah, let's try this 150 kilowatt charger. Let's see how that one goes. Okay, so what happened was I disconnected from one charger, went to the other one, and something broke. I mean, not physically, but the connection broke. I couldn't connect to any of the four chargers here, so I called Electrify America. They picked up pretty quick, and they told me to do it the other way around, not like the Audi app is saying. So this is a quick tip, and it worked immediately. So the guy said instead of first plugging into the port, then typing the charger ID like the Audi MMI app is saying, do it the other way around. So go into the Audi app, type in the charger, and then the Electrify America's charger said, okay, now you can plug in, go ahead and plug in. And I plugged in and it worked. So that's just a quick tip for everybody that maybe will hit that obstacle. Try it the other way around. And now I'm actually charging much faster than before. I'm almost 95 kilowatts. Let me see it here. Let's go. 88 it says on the dash. Yeah, it's about 90 kilowatts, and it's I think it's gonna jump up. Yeah, so this time we're running much better. We'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Like I said in the beginning, it will probably do around 100. Right now it's saying 104 or 103. Let's see if I can bump it up so you can see it. Yeah, it's about 103 104 kilowatts that it's doing right now. So that's it. Just keep in mind, if you have that issue, to do the charging procedure the other way around, not like the Audi app is saying. That's all.